Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're replacing this roof trim molding kit. As you can see, this metal surface also I think detached from the roof of the car, so I got some glue over here that we'll use to just patch it up and then replace once it's patched up to the car, as you can see here, then we can be able to replace it. So for this job we'll definitely going to need the kit, the spray detailer for cleaning up the roof once we have the trim off, rag, scrubber, and of course the glue as I mentioned before. So first thing would be to unbox this, take the trim off, clean it up, then put on the new trim. Have the trim out, and I'm gonna share the link. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna share the link in the description if you want one. It's a cheap kit and it's an easy replacement. So before we put it on, as I mentioned, we'll need to patch that one side and then clean it up. Then finally we can just slide this in. So taking this trim off is an easy procedure. You just need to pull it out on the side, then slide it inside, and you can see it comes off on this side. Slide it down. You see how easy it comes out. Just pull it out, drag it all the way, pull it out over here, slide it down, and there you go, there you have it. And this is what we need to clean, then put on the new one. So this is the metal part that we need to salvage. So we'll take it off. You can use a flat screwdriver. Just take it off the trim. Here you go. Save it. So we'll start by cleaning it up. Spray this all the way through, then scrub it, and then wipe it off. That's done. You can see how clean it is. We're just gonna let it dry up. As we wait for it, we'll just patch up the other side and clean it up and install the trims. So I'm gonna put some glue here. Then after that we can just need to wipe this metal piece, make sure it's clean, free of any debris. So I was just confirming that this part over here, so you have this side, and so the side that you're gonna hook it into should be facing the front of the car. Let it dry up for a few minutes. In the meantime we can do the other side. So these trims are labeled to make it easy for installation. When you look at this side inside, you can see one of them has an L, which is for the left side of the car. So the back side or the rear side, you can actually see how it goes in. It's perfectly goes in. So what you need to do is you're just going to slide it in this part over here. Make sure it goes into that metal plate, and then it's going to lock itself, and then you're just going to run it through all the way to the front. When you get to the front side, we're just going to slide it in. Just push it out and make sure it goes in. Once that's inside, just push it forward. And then now we can press it back. So there we have it, one side's in. When you get this when they're two folded, it's a bit chaotic trying to line it up and straighten it up, but I think with time it just gels inside and fits in perfectly. So we do have this other side dried up, and now I think we can do this side and finish up. This side was actually easier than the other side, I think, because I was able to stretch it and make it, unfold it, if I may call it, and I think it saved me more than half the time it took me to do the other one. So that's how you do it. Easy procedure. It can be a nuisance if it's too creased or too folded, but yeah, unfold it, play around with it, stretch it, and it's gonna go in perfectly. Make sure you clean the trim before you actually install it. Make sure to, when you're taking off the old ones, don't pull it off too hard. It's gonna take off the metal harness that's underneath the trim, so keep that in mind. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Please like this video, share, Link for the molding trim is going to be in the description. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and as always, see you on the next one.